Hello, buddies. A warm and a cordial welcome. And of course, thanks for joining. Sweethearts, in today's video, I'm gonna take up the summary and important questions and answers for part 3, Tea from Assam, lesson number 7, Glimpses of India, your book, First Flight. So let's not waste the time and switch to the key points of the lesson Tea from Assam. Tea from Assam is an interesting and informative lesson about tea plantations, its history and its significance. The writer has tried to make it interesting by using a dialogue method. So there are two young boys, Pranjal and Rajveer, and they are going to Assam. Rajveer is excited as he passes through the tea gardens and wants to share his knowledge with Pranjal. They talk about various Indian and Chinese legends behind tea. Rajveer tells Pranjal a very interesting story of a Chinese emperor who discovered tea by chance. He also tells Pranjal about another story which is very strange and little illogical also. This story tells us about the growing up of tea leaves out of eyelids of a monk. Thus, through these interesting dialogues, the writer has attempted to develop a sense of curiosity among the young readers. And in this particular lesson, the writer Arup Kumar Datta has tried to give a complete description, and that too very beautifully, about Assam and its tea plantations. This is the story in nutshell. And those who have joined today only, they can go for the complete explanation of this particular lesson in my previous video. Here I'm just going to discuss the questions and answers. So let's not waste the time and switch to questions and answers. The first question is, what excited Rajveer? Why did Pranjal not share his excitement? The vast sea of lush green tea bushes, the sight of this beautiful tea plantations, coupled with tall, sturdy, strong teas, excited Rajveer. Because Rajveer एक दिल्ली का लड़का है और इतनी ग्रीनरी उसने पहले कभी नहीं देखी है, तो टी प्लांटेशंस को देखकर he was excited actually. Pranjal did not share Rajveer's excitement because he had been born and brought up on a tea plantation. Question 2. What legends, ऐसी कौन सी stories है that are associated with the origin of the tea? कि चाय कहाँ से शुरू हुई, कब कैसे शुरू हुई, तो उससे related 2 stories, legends हैं यहाँ पर story में, वो कौन सी है? The first is, there was one Chinese emperor who always boiled water before drinking it. One day, a few leaves of twigs burning under the pot fell into the water, which gave it a delicious flavor, and it is said that they were tea leaves. ये एक Chinese emperor की story है जिसमें वो पानी पीने से पहले उसको boil करते हैं, और बॉयल जिन लकड़ियों की सहायता से वो उसको कर रहे हैं, उन उसी ट्विग्स में से जो हैं, उन्हीं ब्रांचेस, उन्हीं झाड़ियों में से कुछ पत्ते जो हैं वो उनके बॉइलिंग वाटर में गिर जाते हैं, जिससे जो है पानी में फ्लेवर आ जाता है और माना जाता है कि ऐसे चाय की खोज हुई. सेकंड जो इसमें स्टोरी है वो बोधिधर्मा की है, जो कि एक एंशियंट बुद्धिस्ट एस्थेटिक है, तपस्वी हैं, मॉन्क हैं. वो कट ऑफ कर देते हैं अपनी आईलिड्स को बिकॉज ही फेल्ट स्लीपी ड्यूरिंग मेडिटेशंस. और ऐसा माना जाता है कि 10 tea plants grew out of the eyelids, and the leaves of these plants, when put in hot water, drunk, banished sleep. अगर इस उबले हुए पानी को पीने से, जिसमें वो टी लीव्स डालते हैं, जो कि कैसे आए हैं, उनकी eyelids के गिरने से जो टी प्लांट्स उगे हैं, उन लीव्स को अगर बॉईल करके पिया जाए तो नींद नहीं आती है या सुस्ती नहीं आती है. ये एक और स्टोरी इसमें जो है आपको लेसन में बताई गई है अबाउट द ओरिजिन ऑफ द टी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट व्हाई डिड राजवीर फील द व्यू आउटसाइड द विंडो वाज मैग्निफिसेंट? Why the view outside the window was magnificent for Rajveer? The answer is Rajveer had never seen such beautiful greenery in his life. He was fascinated to see the tea gardens and the wooded hills, so he called it a magnificent view. The tea pluckers, जो कि चाय की पत्तियों को तोड़ रहे हैं, looked like dolls to him. Next question, why does Rajveer call the workers doll-like figures? The tea pluckers were the local women. They had covered themselves with clothes from top to bottom, and they looked like moving dolls. Rajveer so called them doll-like figures. They really looked very pretty. Next question is, why was Pranjal not excited on seeing the tea garden? The answer is very simple, because Pranjal was born and brought up in Assam, so he had been watching the tea garden since his childhood. There was nothing new for him, so he was not at all excited to see the tea gardens. Next question which we can take is that how the tea pluckers are different from other farmers or laborers on the farms. The tea pluckers were different from other workers on the farm because they had bamboo baskets on their back, they were wearing plastic clothes, and they all looked like moving dolls. Next is that which tea is considered the best and why? So, the tea prepared from the second flush on the sprouting period, which begins in the month of May and lasts till the end of July, is considered the best tea, and it is the best one because it is prepared from the new leaves. Who were Pranjal and Rajveer, and where were they going? Pranjal और Rajveer कौन है और वो कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Pranjal and Rajveer are friends. देखिए, एक बात ध्यान रखिएगा, जैसे अभी अगर क्वेश्चन पास्ट टेंस में है तो आपको आंसर भी पास्ट टेंस में ही करना होता है. सो अगर वर लिखा है हुवर प्रांजल एंड राजवीर, तो आपको आंसर भी पास्ट में ही करना है. प्रांजल एंड राजवीर वर फ्रेंड्स. Pranjal belonged to Assam. He was studying in a school in Delhi. Rajveer उनके classmate हैं, and Pranjal's father was the manager of a tea garden in Upper Assam. Pranjal invited Rajveer to visit his home during the summer vacation, and both of them traveled to Assam on a train. Next question. What did Rajveer and Pranjal do after the train pulled out of the station? When the train pulled out of the station, Pranjal became busy in reading a detective book, whereas Rajveer was looking out of the train, and it was green, green, green everywhere, and he had never seen so much greenery before. So, which story of a Chinese emperor is associated with the discovery of tea? This is the next question. Which story of a Chinese emperor is associated with the discovery of tea, or we can say the origin of tea? ये हमने पहले भी discuss किया है. So, according to one legend, a Chinese emperor discovered tea by chance. He always boiled water before drinking it, and one day a few leaves of the twigs burning under the pot fell into the water, and as a result, the boiled water got a delicious flavor, and it is said that they were the tea leaves. Okay, next question. Where was tea first drunk, and when did it come to Europe? So it is believed that the tea was first drunk in China in 2700 BC. Words like chai and chini are Chinese. Tea came to Europe in the 16th century. At first, it was used more as a medicine than as a beverage. Let's take one more question. Why did Pranjal's father say in surprise that Rajveer had done his homework before coming there? प्रांजल के फादर को क्यों लगता है कि राजवीर जो है उन्होंने अच्छे से होमवर्क किया हुआ है टी और असम के बारे में? सो ऐसा कहने के लिए वो कैसे बाध्य हो जाते हैं? Actually, a tractor was pulling a trailer load of tea leaves at the Dekhai Bhari tea estate.
और वहाँ पर राजवीर जो है वो पूछता है प्रांजल के फादर से कि इफ दैट वाज द सेकंड फ्लश ऑफ स्प्राउटिंग पीरियड, और राजवीर ये भी बताता है कि ये जो सेकंड फ्लश है स्प्राउटिंग पीरियड का, which lasts from May to July and this yields the best tea. ये जो चाय के बारे में उनको जानकारी है वो प्रांजल के फादर को कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा सरप्राइज करती है. Such detailed information about tea leaves surprised Pranjal's father. So he told Rajveer that it seemed that he had done his homework before coming here. He was actually very impressed that how Rajveer had the minute details about the tea leaves even. Moreover, he also talks about the origin of the tea. He gave 2 legends about the tea or tea's origin. So this all surprised Pranjal's father, and he finally said that Rajveer had done his homework before coming to Assam. Sweethearts, now let's discuss the character sketch. First, let's talk about Rajveer. Rajveer, he was a youngster and classmate of Pranjal in Delhi. He was excited to visit tea estate in Assam. He was invited there by Pranjal to spend summer vacation. He was an ardent fan of detective stories, strong fan of detective stories. He enjoyed seeing the magnificent view of tea bushes in Assam, and his knowledge about tea and its history was very profound. He had done a lot of reading about tea. He even surprised Pranjal's father with his in-depth knowledge of the subject. Now let's talk about Pranjal. Pranjal, he had been born and brought up on a tea plantation in Assam. He studied with Rajveer in Delhi. His father was the manager of a tea garden in Upper Assam. He invited Rajveer to visit his home and the Dekhaibari tea estate during the summer vacation. He too was an ardent fan of detective stories. So these are some of the important questions which may come in your examination and which you must know after reading this lesson. Children, if you want some more questions, then you can go through the worksheets that are there in the Har Ghar Pathshala site, and I have covered there all the questions like comprehension also, value based questions also, and of course questions from the text also. So this is all for today. Enjoy, have fun, but yes, do take a good care of yourself. Bye.